Kindness comes in different forms. And for Shamario Brown, it's not how much can be given, but the thought that counts. On a regular day, Shamario, a Higgler, would be on the streets of Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, plying his wares to make an honest bread. But today, he wears a different hat, as he chefs up a storm in his yard, preparing to feed homeless people on Main Street.
Clothes then can change the dirty clothes to make them look a bit cleaner. Yeah, even if them don't get a real fresh beard today, but then can change their clothes. We have a decent meal where you can give them with even juice, so they can even get a decent meal and enjoy something eating differently and feel like someone is there for them.
Shamario says though he doesn't have much, he was prompted to help after remembering the hardships he faced growing up.
Been through a lot of stuff and see pain when me go through. I know people I feel the same, similar, maybe more. Someone was there for me. I'm trying to use this and make the same opportunity for others out there.
A few recipients expressed their appreciation.
It will help me in time of need when I need to go somewhere I can make a change of garments and get a fresh and go.
Enough respect, man. Like this collaboration, you know? I help the city. You understand? I know people hungry and
Shamario says the plan is to turn this into a monthly initiative. And as such, he's inviting youth in the community to come on board to give others a ray of hope.
It's a unity we want to bring back towards the people, the peace. We want to try to get the country to violence free. If expand toward the 14th parish, can bring groups. You can even, when time we do it this year, so today we have a next set can do it in the next parish and a next set can do it in the next parish. That would help in a whole heap of impact towards youth, because we are trying to get some younger youths where feel like they don't have no hope. So we just want to get some of those youth and those board with all of the bigger person and all the heads were positive and help we do this, you know, so we can bring forth a better Jamaica.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.